The Adam Smith Awards are globally recognised as the industry benchmark for best practice and innovation in corporate treasury. Throughout this dedicated series, we take a deep dive into each of the winning solutions in conversation with the creators themselves.
Hello, I'm Meg Coates, Joint Publisher and Head of Operations at the Treasury Today Group. In this episode, we speak to our overall winner and highly commended winners in our Harnessing the Power of Technology category. This category captures any traditional Treasury solution where the use of technology is at the centre. Solutions here could involve a full-blown Treasury management system and/or enterprise resource planning system, or the use of a single, simple Treasury solution to address a particular area of Treasury. Our overall winner showcases innovative technology to address its direct-to-consumer proposition, whilst our highly commended winners show how their cash forecasting has been enhanced by technology, how APIs have been harnessed to optimise payments, and how money market investments have been transformed with technology. And the overall winner of Harnessing the Power of Technology is Jarno Timmerman, Treasury Director EMEA at Nike. Congratulations. Here to tell us more about Nike's winning solution is their partner, JP Morgan.
Hi, I'm Sara Castelhano. I'm the EMEA Head of Payments and Commerce Solutions Product at JP Morgan. JP Morgan has been privileged to support Nike in this project by providing banking solutions that enable Nike to advance the strategic objective of Nike Direct organization. A little bit about Nike Direct. It manages B2C sales to end consumers via Nike.com and through its network of bricks and mortar stores across 26 European countries. Nike offers consumers a consistent experience across all Nike Direct channels, which they refer to as an omni-channel model. This ease of doing business allows customers to buy online, return on store, buy online, pick up in store, buy online, and ship from the store. It's central to building and maintaining customer loyalty for Nike. Prior to the project, Nike already had in place centralized collections across their European footprint. However, the omni-channel program required a change to recognize revenue at each entity responsible for the sale. This means Nike faced the prospect of opening new bank accounts and thereby unwinding their centralization achievements. We were able to help them. We provided Nike with a solution using our virtual account solution product, which segregated cash flow reporting by entity through virtual accounts without opening up a single new bank account. Thus, this was the strategic objective of Nike, and it drove operational efficiencies of Treasury, and they were simultaneously achieved. The most important element of this winning solution was the ability to use JP Morgan technology as an enabler to achieve the strategic business objective of Nike. Our virtual account solution combines traditional cash management products into bespoke solutions to meet numerous client objectives. In this case, Nike wanted to improve the customer experience and build customer loyalty. Using JP Morgan's team of cash management experts, coupled with our market-leading virtual solutions, saved Nike considerable expense and effort. Since the project went live, Nike has continued to leverage this scalable model to incorporate not just B2C cash flows, but also those of its wholesale business, B2B, which leveraged direct debit collections through virtual accounts. The project was an excellent example of the power of payments combining with innovative account services solutions to provide scalable platforms to enable growth.
Next up, we have our first highly commended winner in this category.
Our first is Kira Agnew, Assistant Corporate Treasurer at Kellogg's.
Here to tell us more about Kellogg's winning solution is their partner, Citi.
So my name is Duncan Cole, Global Head of Strategic Partnerships for the Liquidity Management Solutions business at Citibank. And we're absolutely thrilled to have been part of the latest award win, Global Adam Smith Award for harnessing the power of technology that Kellogg's took away in recent times. And we supported Kellogg's along this journey in a number of ways, but let me just first of all step back for a moment. Citi has a long established relationship with Kellogg's as their primary bank, and we understand the needs and ambition of Kellogg's. And in this instance, Kellogg's really wished to achieve three outcomes. Firstly, the elimination of time-consuming work in Excel. Secondly, the elimination of downloads and manual manipulation of data sets while preparing their liquidity forecast. And thirdly, to gain a better view and to be able to draw insights across their commercial dynamics of the Kellogg's business. And all of which, of course, to enable better decision-making and management of risk and enabling company growth through the better use of data-led insights. On the flip side, Citi has been partnering with Cashforce since about 2020, and through this partnership, bringing innovative forecasting and working capital analytics to a number of our clients. We saw that marrying up Cashforce solutions with the Kellogg's ambition would generate value. So our role was simple in bringing together the collaboration across the three parties, combining the vision and ambition of Kellogg's with the solutioning power of Citi and Cashforce.
And now we have our second highly commended winner.
Our second is Sally Swanepoel, Director, Corporate Accounting and Control at Kitopi.
Here to tell us more about Kitopi's winning solution is their partner, HSBC.
Hi, I'm Muhannad Abdeljawad, Senior Vice President in Global Liquidity and Cash Management at HSBC. Our job is to analyze the client's needs and discuss suitable solutions that will benefit their treasury. The main aims of the project were to leverage the ERP that is used by Kitopi and automate their operations where possible. By doing so, the client will be having more time to focus on their core business. The key elements of the solution were to support Kitopi in executing payments in a seamless manner, enhance their efficiency, and reduce their admin hours that are spent on executing payments manually. The API paves the way for treasuries to be ready for the future connectivity by not only streamlining their payments, but also providing real-time reporting on demand.
And the third highly commended winner.
And our third and final highly commended winner in this category is Chigbo Enenmo, Head of Treasury at Nigeria LNG.
Hello, I'm Chigbo Enenmo, the Treasury Manager of Nigeria LNG Limited. I'm a highly commended winner of the Harnessing the Power of Technology Award. Winning an Adam Smith Award in 2022, the second time in 3 years, has impacted me, my team, and Nigeria LNG Limited as a whole in many ways. At a time when the world is slowly recovering from the COVID-19 pandemic, at a personal level, this award feels like a bright light emerging at the end of a very dark tunnel. For my entire team in Treasury, it once again demonstrates that our ways of working are best in class and that our practices meet or beat the industry benchmark for corporate treasury. It gives us the momentum to continue our improvement journey with new energy, because for us, there's no end to learning and improvement. Winning an Adam Smith Award in the Harnessing the Power of Technology category is indeed concrete evidence that Nigeria LNG is strategically future-proofing its business and remains committed to the relentless pursuit of excellence. For a company holding billions of dollars of cash, there was a multitude of challenges with managing money market fund investments. For me, one of the biggest challenges was getting money to the fund managers on time to settle trades. To provide some context, on a certain day, I received an email from a global fund manager. Attached to the email was an invoice for $12,000, representing interest charges for late settlement of a single trade. Basically, what had happened was that we had booked a trade, but failed to settle by the cutoff time, despite our best and typically frantic efforts internally to complete the numerous sequential steps required. Ultimately, we avoided the $12,000 interest charge by getting our bank to back value delayed payment, but we still paid a $700 fee for the back valuation. It was a very painful experience because it wasn't a case of lack of funds, but rather a case of lack of speed and simplicity in our money market fund investment process. And at that point, I said, never again. Within the next few weeks, working with JP Morgan Asset Management, whose project implementation team was drawn from the UK, the US, and Luxembourg, my team adopted Morgan Money, the world-class trading and analytics platform with transformative digital capabilities. Among so many benefits of the Morgan Money solution, too numerous to list out here, the auto-settlement functionality allowed us to get money to our fund managers in real time, together with instant trade confirmation from transfer agents. In addition, the solution enabled us codify our investment policy and automate controls relating to Treasury trading activities. We learned a lot when we worked with our strategic business partner, JP Morgan Asset Management, to deploy Morgan Money for our money market fund investments. The solution clearly delivered highly visible transformational improvements in our Treasury department. In particular, the automation aspects of the solution, from trade execution, auto-settlement, controls, and all the way to reporting and analytics, enabled us free up time for Treasury staff to focus on more strategic and tactical matters. Simply speaking, Morgan Money is technology at its digital best. Strengthening controls whilst concurrently making life easier for staff is the dream of every Treasury manager. And thanks to Morgan Money, that's a dream that we've been able to turn into reality in this aspect of our operation.
And now it's time for a word from their partner.
My name is Vikas Kapoor, and I work as a client advisor covering institutional clients for the JP Morgan Asset Management Global Liquidity Team. Well, we have known our client Nigeria LNG for many years and have worked with them side by side across several milestone Treasury and finance transitions. Given the sheer size of the organisation and significant cash balances that the Treasury team oversees, we thought it prudent to help create a snapshot of where they had evolved to from a cash allocation perspective, and importantly where we could help with our Morgan Money technology. Although the organisation worked with a number of world-class counterparties from a banking and money market fund perspective and boasted a hugely experienced and efficient team, we helped identify areas in which speed and efficiency could instantly benefit. Three of the key areas identified were, firstly, streamlining the trading functionality and automating the movement of cash, maintaining one dashboard where Nigeria LNG can access all of their money market fund counterparties, alongside introducing automation to ensure that money market fund managers and banks are connected without the need for manual intervention. Secondly, the availability of information, the provision of real-time data to the Nigeria LNG team to make investment decisions, acknowledge trades, and benefit from comprehensive reporting of their investments and positions. Previously, much of this information wasn't readily available without sourcing data from multiple fund managers or public sources. And last but not least, risk management capability. Nigeria LNG taking back control of managing user rights and restrictions in relation to daily cash allocation, which also stretches to the control functions required when placing trades against the organization's investment and risk policy framework. The Nigeria LNG Treasury team worked quickly and with purpose alongside the JP Morgan Asset Management team to be able to implement Morgan Money's various capabilities within a few weeks, showcasing just how quickly transformative technology can be ingrained into a sophisticated Treasury process when both parties work together. The key aim of the project was to empower our client, Nigeria LNG, with technology that would help reduce the significant overhead on the Treasury team when allocating cash to money market funds, along with limiting errors, increasing automation, and saving costs. The key was Nigeria LNG demonstrating that innovation was at the forefront of their Treasury policy, with the team progressive in their approach when it came to working together to identify areas that could be improved, Once we had put forward a proposal on Morgan Money integration, the organisation conducted a very detailed analysis in a short period of time to assist with gathering internal approvals, and ensure that they had dedicated resource to have everything tested and completed. In summary, aside from identifying benefits of the technology, the key marker to success is hearing the Nigeria LNG team openly reference the transformative difference Morgan Money makes to their day-to-day operations, with multiple business functions benefiting in their own way. The implementation has also allowed the firm to benefit from future enhancements, as well as tying into their treasury management system. We continue to wish Nigeria LNG every success going forward as we embark on this journey with them.
A huge congratulations to all our Adam Smith Awards winners. Thank you for listening to this episode of our dedicated Adam Smith Awards podcast series, brought to you by the Treasury Today Group. More episodes will be coming soon featuring other award-winning solutions, so please subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated wherever you get your podcasts.